I'm Mr. Edwin Otuka, teaching physics, mathematics. I want to help all the students of this country to endeavor their careers, pursuing physics, mathematics, and all the careers they may have to. But for today, we want to learn area part of a circle. The first question we shall have is this one. This figure is a question. Figure A is a circle. Figure B is a circle. The radius of figure A is 12 centimeters. The radius of figure B is 10 centimeters. They intersect and give a shaded region. Calculate the area of the shaded region. The figures are below. First one is 12 centimeters. Second one is 10 centimeters. Remember what I said, the radius of those two figures are 10 centimeters and 12 centimeters. This is the shaded region. Remember, from A to B, given, let me add given AB equals to 9 centimeters. Now, in such an equation, you come and take the distance. First, intersect the two, then take this distance. This one now, if AB is 9 centimeters, that means this one is 4.5 centimeters. Take this angle, first calculate. This angle becomes sine theta equals to opposite of hypotenuse. In this triangle, A, let us name this one N at the center. AN, and this one, let us name it O1, O2. This triangle ANO1, calculating theta becomes opposite over hypotenuse. And opposite is this one over hypotenuse. We get sine theta. So sine theta equals to 4.5 over 12. From our calculator, if we calculate 4.5 divided by 12, we get 0.375. So sine theta means you go to shift, you go to sine of the answer. We get 22.02. So theta becomes 22.02 degrees. That's our first theta. Remember, this angle is the same as this angle. We want to calculate the area of this sector O1AB. Then we minus the area of this triangle O1AB. So, simple concept, O1, we have got our theta to be 22.02. The second one will be the same, 22.02. That means the whole angle A, O1B, 1B, A or 1B, this angle becomes 22.02 times 2. This one becomes 44.04 degrees. That is this angle. We have not yet calculated the area of the sector O1. Now, area of sector. Of the sector A01B becomes, remember, theta over 360 times, that's the area of the sector, pi r squared. The theta we have is 44 divided by 360 times pi r squared. Pi is 22/7 times radius becomes from A, O1, that is the radius, times the same radius. According to my calculation, this one will become 44.04, 44.04 times 22 times 12 times 12, then divide by bracket. You can't divide by 360, then you put 7. You put bracket first, 360 times 7. Close bracket, then find the answer. It becomes 55.36. 3645. Rounding off 365. That's the area of the sector first, A or 1B. Now, we have not yet gotten the area of A, triangle A or 1B. Area of triangle A or 1B. A or 1B. This area now, you come and say, you can give it half base times height. But remember, if you are going to take the triangle, you must take, if its base is AB times height, the height of this triangle, N01. And N01, we may find it through using the same concept we use finding area in the triangles. Pythagoras theorem, 4.5 square. We take it from 12 square. We get that answer, we get the square root. This is the answer now. So, area of this triangle can have 3 concepts. This 12, this 12. This 4.5, this 4.5. Now, in the simplest concept, it's better we get half of the base times the height. How do you get the height now in this triangle? First, remember, here, this is the height only of this triangle. We've got a triangle. We want to get this height using Pythagoras theorem. So, the height first, before you get the area, the height of triangle AO1B will become 12 square. 12 square minus 4.5 square. That answer, we get the square root. According to my calculation, I get 1 square minus 4.5 square. Becomes 123.75 square root of the answer. 11.12. 12. So, we've gotten this one. Now, area of the triangle will be area of triangle will be half base times height, which is half, times b. B is 9, AB, which is 9 times the height which you have gotten. According to my calculation, I get 4.5 times 11.12. We get 50.04. Now, we get 50.04, and our area of the sector, the whole sector within the shaded area was 55.35. So area of the shaded part, A, shaded region, becomes, we get our equation here, 55.365 minus 50.04. According to my calculator, we get the same 55.365 minus 50.04. This one becomes 5.325. That is the area of only A, this shaded part only. Remember, this sector is O1AB, is a sector. Now we have gotten the area of the sector minus the area of this triangle. That gives us the area of this first shaded part. We are still remaining another area of the second shaded part. So this is the first one. We are going to the second part. Now, according to our equation, we have seen the first part. We took the first sector, we minus the triangle, then we got the first shaded area. Now let us go to A or 2B. A or 2B. Area of this sector, area of sector A. A or 2B. This sector, we've got a radius of 10 centimeters. This distance is 4.5. For us to get the area, we must calculate first this angle, theta 2. This was 1. Now, angle A or 2N, angle A or 2N equals to, you take now the same triangle ANO2, divide, because Sine theta means opposite of hypotenuse. So we divide the opposite, which is 4.5, opposite of the angle 0, the second theta, opposite of it is 4.5. This one becomes sine theta will be opposite 4.5 divided by 10. According to my calculator, 4.5 divided by 10. It becomes 0.45. That is sine theta. But now, if you want to get theta, you go to sine. Go to sine, get the shift, then sine of the same. So 1, shift, sine 0.5. It will give you something that comes an inverse of it, 0.45. Answer becomes 26.74 degrees. That is theta 2. This one. So that means the whole of A or 2B becomes twice the angle, because this is the first angle. So A or 2B will become 2 times the same angle you have got, which is 26.64. According to my calculator, times 2, 53.487. I round it off to 53.49 degrees. We've now gotten the angle we wanted, the whole angle of AO2B. Now, from there, let us calculate the area of the sector AO2B. Area of sector. The area of the sector AO2B. This one now will become theta over 360 as our concept, area of a sector. Theta over 360 times, and our theta is AO2B, the angle, which is 53.49 over 360 times pi, which is 22 over 7 times the radius square. Radius of this one is now 10, not 12. 12 was for the first. Times 10 times 10. I take my calculator times 22 times 10 times 10. Divide by. Remember, never divide directly. That divide by 360 times 7. No. Divide, put a bracket. 360 times 7. Close bracket, open up, equals. Answer becomes 46.695. That means 46.70. Now, we must find the area of the triangle AO2B. Area of triangle AO2B. First, we must use the Pythagoras theorem to get the height NO2. Height NO2. This height is got from the same 4.5 square plus NO2 square gives you 10 square. Now, NO2 square will be equal to 10 square, which is 100, minus 4.5 square. According to my calculator, 100 minus 4.5 square, brackets 4.5 square. It becomes 79.75. That is NO2 square. So NO2 equals to the square root of 79.75, which gives us 8.9. 8.93. That's this distance. Now, we have simplified our equation. We are almost through the first one. The first answer was 5.325, because this is very important, because you are going to add to the second answer you're going to get. So the first one is 5. The first answer 5.325. So from here, we are now completing our program. We've got 8.923. Let us get now the area of ABO2 triangle. ABO2. Half base times height. Half base is the same, AB, which is 9, times height. We have already gotten now 8.93. Our answer becomes 4.5 times 8.93. 40.19. Now, we got the area of the sector first, 46.70. We've got the area of the triangle, 40.19. We have to get the difference to get what we have here as area of this shaded part remaining. So the area of the shaded part remaining will be equal to take the area we got, area of the sector, minus the area of the triangle that we have. So it becomes 46.70 minus 40.19. And according to my calculator, 46.70 minus 40.19. 6.51. So we have come to almost completion of the question. We've gotten the first area of the shaded sector, the shaded part. We are adding the two together. The first one was 5.325. So total area of the shaded parts will be equal to 5.325 plus 6.51. According to my calculator, 6.51 plus 5.325. Answer becomes 11.835 centimeters square. Thank you, viewers. for watching me. I'm Mr. Edwin Otuka. We shall meet in the next lesson. God bless you all. Subscribe me. Make notification bell. Wherever I post something, help my videos. Notify me. All of you, thank you all, viewers.